Hey guys, today in this video I am going to tell you how to make X profile private. X, formerly known as Twitter. I'm going to tell you in this video if you're using it and if you want to make your account private, just follow these steps in the video and you'll be good to go. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to open up X, and here you go. You're at this home page. Now what you need to do, you have to click here on this left icon or profile icon of yours. I need to go down here to settings and privacy. Once when you're here, you need to follow these steps. You have to go to privacy and safety, and then you have to go to audience and tagging. Here you can see protect your post and protect your videos are off. So you're going to turn both of these on and you'll be good to go. So this actually makes her account private. And now you can see there's this lock icon on my profile. That means that my posts are protected, they're private, and only those uh, people or accounts that I allow, they're able to see my post and my tweets. Otherwise, it won't be visible to the public audience. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next.